Oh my god, Max. I can't even figure out a plan for my next lightning spin over like a troll period. There's like, I want one period to go, and, wait. Hello? 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 Ugh. Wait. They kind of don't get lights for anything. Come on. Okay. Oh, here's this. I gotta take this to, the Nissan there, because we're getting in a car soon. Yeah. Ever gonna do something about that soon? Oh, hey guys. What you doing? Oh, hey, Jack Storm. What you doing? Oh, well, just, got this Nissan thing. A Nissan? What the heck is a Nissan? Ugh, you know what a one is. Oh, yeah, I forgot. And I got the Jeep's key. What's the Jeep for? It's like, we're like trading the Jeep for a Nissan, like, look inside. You can, like, see the input. Wow, that's pretty good. I can agree with you, and other stuff, and so it's, let's see, well, anyway, where'd you get that thing? Oh, it was just in the office. I, found it, and, anyway, you want to see it? Sure. Okay, so here we are. Let me type up 2019 Nissan. Okay, now, let's see if there's any good ones. Okay, now, that's one of them that they show. We're getting it on Tuesday. Oh, really? Yeah, we are kind of, and, it probably looks like, it's like, gray, but not red. About that. Anyway, kinda cool, and, well, kinda cool. See you in a bit. Okay, so I made that cool car, and, it looks pretty good. Wow, that's pretty good, by the way. Hey, this is Fife, what you doing? Oh, hey, I'm Mr. Fingerprints. I just made this cool Nissan car for NR Trans Free. Take a look. Wow. Looks pretty good. I like it. Pretty good, right? Yeah, kind of. And, anyway, I'm gonna go somewhere. You can, take a look. What should I do with it? Let me see. I'm gonna put it on somewhere. Hey, finger person, and hey, that's pretty good. Thanks. Where'd you make it? I made it in a NASCAR 2003. Like, what program did you make it? I used IMP to make these stuff, and check it out. Wow, looks pretty good. Look exactly like a Nissan. And, for some reason, I mean, I'll show ISS for some reason. Oh, well, that's okay. Anyway, fingerprints. I have a deal for you. You and, 55, get the car on Tuesday, okay? Okay. I'll be, waiting for you guys. Well, it's kind of, well, anyway. Let me, get the magazine and get going.